Okay, hey guys, I'm back. So, my name is Poe. Welcome back if you're back. If you're new, my name is Poe. Hello. And this is my Faux Loc grooming video. I'm going to put in the description below the tutorial, right? So this isn't a tutorial. My hair is already done. This is not the tutorial. This is how I groom my hair. Right now, it's been about 2 weeks since I've had them in, and I'm having issues with frizz. Some pieces are loosening a little bit, of course, which happens. This is really soft, frizzy, well, not frizzy, really soft hair. And when you manipulate it a lot, that's just what happens, which is fine. So I'm going to show you all of my techniques and what I do to keep my hair looking good. I'm also going to show you how to wrap it up at night. I mean, right now I just woke up, so this is how I look if I wanted to just wrap it real quick. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all ready? I'm ready. So first, if you have a short scarf like this one, see, maybe about the length of your forearm. But yes, this is how I would wrap my hair if I wanted to be absolutely not bothered by the hair at all. If I wanted to really prevent frizz, all of that, this is how I would do it. Either use one scarf and wrap it all the way down, or two scarves, do one at the top and have the second one at the bottom. To kind of clean my scalp, I'm gonna make a mixture of apple cider vinegar, a light shampoo, and some water. The clear issue when it comes to protective styles is keeping your hair clean, right? We know this. This is your best friend. This is my best friend. I'm going to mix some apple cider vinegar, a good shampoo that's great for dry hair or dry scalp to help with that scalp, and some agua spray. So I've been reusing this, but yeah, I'm just gonna put it all in here and do it that way. Water. Just a bit, right? Because you don't want it to be too lathery up there, because then it'll loosen, you know, your parts, and you know, I don't want to do any of that. I just want to clean it, but I don't want to loosen it. This is what I would use to wash my hair. Okay, so I know this is how I grow my scalp. Very good. I feel it very minty and open because of this. A big issue when it comes to these locks. Frizz. No, frizz is a big issue. And so I'm gonna tackle the frizz in my hair right now and fix up some locks that are loose or loosening. You see that? You see how it sticks together? This because of the frizz. We know frizz to a degree is going to be there. You can't get rid of all the frizz because that defeats the purpose of having faux locks. Locks have some sort of frizz. But when it's too much, the hair starts to stick together, they knot together, it snags on things, and it gets really annoying. So I'm just gonna go over the ends, cut a lot of the extra hairs that are like kind of like coming. You can see right here, 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 and this right here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you get rid of frizz. Let's get it. Okay. Cleaning it up first. I like just doing a whole bunch. See the difference? Still a little bit of frizz, but it's not as much. I'm sealing it together with this lock gel. Looks like lock, Groom, whatever. You see, it won't stick to the other hairs like how these are. See that? Come on. Okay. that's about it. That's usually what I do to groom my locks. I don't do that, of course, every day. I'm doing this halfway through. This is about 2 weeks through. I'm gonna see if I could hold them in for about 5-6 weeks. That's my goal. If you have any questions, please drop them below, or if you want me to go into more detail, just let me know below. Thanks for watching so much. I love you guys. Make sure you hit that notification button so you can stay updated. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.